Hey y'all, Matt here with Bobcat Bonsai, and on today's super quick video, we're going to unbox this new tree I just got in and check it out. Let's get. Alright, so here we go. How's this for a halfway decent quick unboxing? Kind of quick. We're going to just gradually cut down through here. Like I've said before, I like to cut this side rather than over the top of it. Oh no, this isn't gonna let me. There we go. That should be enough. Yep. Get that part. All right, just one more little piece here. Here we go. Well, I've got a lot of soil floating around in here, so we'll be real careful when we finish getting this all opened up. There we go. Almost there. Oh, we got a little piece right crossing through here. Just get this all opened up here. All right. Hopefully that was just cut off and just kind of left there. Let's keep up the look. I don't want to cut too much on here because it is kind of acting as a bag right now to hold some of that soil. I just need to get enough to be able to get it around. All right. So I'll keep that soil here and I'll get that all put back in. Just gotta get up through here now. It's a nice pond basket. I like it, I like it, I like it. I've got some nice paper in here to help hold it in as well. Well, hold in the moisture, I should say. So now I'm just going to try and get some of this over here and just pull that soil that came out back into it. Quick, easy fix. There we go. And that one's in, so we'll cut there. Get the rest of that soil in. I know you may be thinking that there's not much soil in here, but you have to factor in the shipping weights when shipping these guys, so it's okay that this isn't completely loaded up with soil, and I will end up loading it after I'm done refilling it. Also, I was talking to Jay about this tree, and I said I don't believe that it has any thorns. Well, Jay, I was wrong. It has beautiful, beautiful thorns all over it. So that's something to keep in mind as I go through the whole styling process with this tree. Just wanted to zoom in and show you that. The trunk is awesome. I love this. It's got nice dead wood in here. I'm pretty sure this is all dead, running all the way up through it. So that may be a cool feature for later, or I may cut it off and restart all the way from the bottom. I couldn't decide though, so I had him ship it to me as a whole tree, and I said that I can figure that out later. No need to try to decide that over just pictures before I can see the tree in person, is my thoughts. So this is looking good. The soil's actually covering all the roots down in there, so there may not be a need whatsoever to add any extra soil to this. I really like it. Now it's just seeing how it does with this recovery. It was up to like right here. I said you can chop it down, chop it all the way down into this little V notch right here, and I'll work from that, because otherwise we were looking at another box. I was going to bring this up. You can't even see my hand. I was going to bring it up to here, so that was pushing almost 2 feet tall, and I don't know if you've ever tried to ship a 2 feet tall tree, but it's expensive. And then you've got these branches, right? And it's a lot like the coffee bean. I don't know if I ever showed you the coffee bean in detail, but if you put too much pressure on one of these little branches right here, they just boop and they pop off like that. So that's something you have to be aware of whenever you're working with these. I want to dig into this so bad and just like check it all out and see everything and be like, yes, this is what I want to do. But I know that that would be the worst thing for me to do with this tree right now, so I just can't do it. So I'm just trying to take a little glimpse here. Wow. Let me grab it real quick and bring you in. Look at that. Super cool little beast running into here. I really like that. I wish that root wasn't right there. I kind of wish it was hidden somewhere, and I could just show this whole thing coming up and out. But whatever. I love this tree either way. Thanks for coming along. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you enjoy my content, you should subscribe to my channel. And if you really enjoy my content, you should hit the bell notification so you can get notified every time I release a new video. Thank you.